Hi, in this video I will show you how to edit ash tone filter using Lightroom Mobile. Here are example photo before and after using this filter. Let's get started. Go to Light. Adjust the exposure to plus 0.12. Contrast to plus 45. Highlights to minus 14. Shadows to plus 100. Whites to plus 31. Blacks to minus 10. Go to curve. Follow these steps. Done. Go to color. Temperature to plus 5. Tint to plus 1. Vibrance to plus 17. Saturation to minus 37. Go to color mix. First go to color red. Hue to minus 6. Saturation to plus 49. Go to orange. Saturation to plus 62. Go to yellow. Hue to minus 7. Saturation to minus 93. Luminance to plus 19. Go to green. Saturation to minus 34. Go to cyan. Saturation to minus 92. Go to blue. Saturation to minus 78. Go to violet. Saturation to plus 1. Go to magenta. Saturation to minus 24. Done. Next go to effects. Clarity to plus 52. Go to split tone. Bring hue to 230 and saturation to 8 for shadows. Done. Go to Detail. Color noise reduction to 22. And done. Now let's try to copy this preset to another photo. Copy settings. Paste settings. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe and like for more videos.